ppm of sodium chloride solution, and we are making here. And the second chemicals we have need here AgNO3 solution, and this is the 0.1 molar of AgNO3 solution, and it also we make here. And we have also need of 10 ml of dilute HNO3, and we taking in this measuring cylinder 10 ml of HNO3 solution. Now we in this practical we have need of two solution. First is test solution and second is standard solution, and we making first the test solution. For test solution we taking the 10 ml of 25 ppm of chloride solution, and this 10 ml of 25 ppm of chloride solution we adding in the Nessler cylinder. Now in this Nessler cylinder we adding 10 ml of nitric acid HNO3 solution. We already measure here 10 ml of nitric acid. Now adding in this Nessler cylinder of 25 ml of 25 ppm of chloride solution 10 ml, and we adding HNO3 of solution, sorry, AgNO3 solution 10 ml. Now we dilute it with water. Now in this solution we adding 50 ml of water and dilute it, मतलब 50 ml मार्क तक हमें इसको dilute करना है, तब तक हमें इसमें water add करना है. Now we adding the water up to the mark, and we adding here. Now add the 1 ml of 0.1 molar of silver nitrate, and we measuring already here silver nitrate of 1 ml, and now I am adding. After addition of silver nitrate, we stir it with glass rod immediately. Now we stir with glass rod immediately, and we stir here. After stirring, we allow to stand it for 5 minutes, and we seeing here the color of this solution. Now we making for a procedure for test standard solution. We already make here test solution, and now second procedure is standard solution. And for this standard solution we measuring the 25 ppm of chloride solution is 10 ml, and we measure here 10 ml of chloride solution of 25 ppm. Now in this solution we adding 5 ml of water and distill it. And after adding 5 ml of water, we are distill it. Now take the Nessler cylinder of second and add this solution in Nessler cylinder. After this, we adding the 10 ml of HNO3 solution in this Nessler cylinder. After this chloride solution and distilled water, we adding the solution of dilute HNO3 10 ml in this solution. Now after adding of HNO3 solution, we adding in this solution 1 ml of AgNO3 solution, and measuring 1 ml of AgNO3 solution here. Now we measure 1 ml of solution. When we adding the 1 ml of AgNO3 solution, first we dilute this solution with water and making the mark of 50 ml. Now we making the mark up to 50 ml up to the ring, and this solution is diluted from water. Now we adding the 1 ml of AgNO3 solution in this solution and stir immediately this solution also with stir. After stirring, we allow to stand for 5 minutes also is this solution, and we after 5 minutes we checking the results of both solution. After both solution we taking for allow for 5 minutes, we seeing the results in the solution. This is the standard solution, this is the sample solution or test solution. Now we seeing the result from back side, any black shade वगैरह हम रख के इसका रिजल्ट देख सकते हैं, या तो फिर साइड वाइज चेक कर सकते हैं कि ज्यादा टर्बिडिटी किस सोल्यूशन में दिख रही है. तो अगर हम साइड वाइज भी इसको चेक करें तो हमें ज्यादा ब्राइटनेस, ज्यादा टर्बिडिटी, ज्यादा इम्प्यूरिटीज फर्स्ट वाले सॉल्यूशन में दिख रही है जो कि स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन है, और लेस इम्प्यूरिटीज जो दिख रही है हमें वो सैंपल सॉल्यूशन में दिख रही है. तो इस रिजल्ट से हम ये शो कर सकते हैं कि जो मेनी इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं उसमें इम्प्यूरिटीज जो पाई जाती है, तो उस इम्प्यूरिटीज को रिमूव करने के लिए हम ये लिमिट टेस्ट ऑफ क्लोराइड, लिमिट टेस्ट ऑफ सल्फेट, ये जो लिमिट टेस्ट होती है ये प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करते हैं फॉर मेकिंग श्योरिटी फ्रॉम इम्प्यूरिटीज.